turbines running. The edge is running. Will this run? Well, this is the first look. The 06 Camry. I tell you what, this thing's clean. It's got no rust on it. Brand new tires. I will tell you ahead of time, when I picked this up, I put the jump box on it and I turned the key, but what I heard was not very nice coming from the engine. You know what that means? So what I did was I didn't bother to run it anymore because I wanted to save it for you. Yeah. I wanted to save it because it doesn't sound like there's gonna be a lot of life left. Man, this thing, pretty good cars in their day. Very surprising. Must have ran it low on oil. Let's have a look. Get the old 16 valver. What is this? 2.4. It's on the road. Guy called me and said, hey, I broke down, had it towed to the shop, and they said no good, not worth fixing. 6 months later, he mailed me the title. So, needless to say, they were not very happy at the shop, but they were happy when I came and got it. What do we got in here? Some sort of a little mount. Oh, look at that. Little tripod. It's nice. Looks like some quarters. Seat is wet. Got a little bit of juice in the battery, but not enough to start it. What is the... Can't see the mileage yet. Look at that. Brand new pads and rotors. Pennies, trash. What's this? Don't know. Oh, some little pads. The trunk is always the exciting part to me. You never know. What have we been having? Raw honey. Oh, a couple of Voodoo Belgiums. Look at this. Lucas power steering fluid. It's half quart. The good stuff. You know what that means? A rack and pinion is leaking. Woo! Look at that. Nice husky. Oh, phone. What's this? little pump. Flashlight does not work. Woo! That one works. Not much good in there. Oh, I see what we got here. So it's all ready to go to work. Oh, showed his name. Not good. What's this? Oh, just a drop of brake fluid. Just a drop. Oh, that's nice. What's this? Electric company. Seems like that's what he did for work. Electrician. Woo. Peeling. Your skin is peeling. What is in the trunk? Oh, yes. All the typical things. Extension cord. Snow brush. Oil filter wrench. Raincoats. Woo! Little brake clean for the boys, huh? Look at this. There's a gallon of gas back here. Wow. This guy really knows how to party. Propane tank hose. A couple things. And some copper. Electrician is going to be copper. Well, there's enough of that. Let's hear this thing. Make sure she's got oil in her. Give her the fighting chance. Wow, looks like nothing. Nothing. So I guess we know what happened. Give her just a little drink. Oil is oil. I don't care. Maybe half a quart. That's all she gets. That's it. Yep, that's the key. Turn this off. Woo! 301,000 miles. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Got his life out of this one, boys. I told you, these things are pretty good. Oh! He's a knockin'. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Goodbye. I seen some fire. I don't know about you. .301, and she's all done. Any pieces? See some leakage. Got its life out of this one, boys. I told you, these things are pretty good. Should have added some oil there, bud. Could have got a few more out of her. Right through the block. Woo! Bolt right out of her. Take your guts back. I don't want them. That's all she wrote. My favorite CD's in there. Pretty strong. 301,000 miles. Oh, you. guess he should have checked the oil a little more often. But I guess the boot got its last laugh. Street.